Hi, I have some information for the attraction sector in tourism, which refers to the various sites, activities, and experiences that draws visitors to a destination. So here's a quick breakdown of its components. Number 1. Natural attractions. This includes landscapes, wildlife, beaches, and national parks, and many more. Number 2. Cultural attraction. These encompass the historical sites, museums, festivals, and local traditions. Number 3, entertainment attraction, which includes amusement parks, theaters, concerts, and sports events. And number 4, shopping and dining, unique local markets, shopping districts, and gourmet restaurants. That is all. Choose tourism. Choose you in Manila.